Okay, imagine this. You're mowing your lawn one summer afternoon, and suddenly, out of nowhere, the ground starts revealing secrets from 500 years ago. No digging, no time machines, just the sun baking the earth. That's exactly what's happening across southern England right now. And honestly, it's blowing my mind. What does this say about how fragile our grasp on history really is? Let's break it down. So here's the deal. Extreme heat is acting like a giant X-ray vision for ancient ruins. At Blenheim Palace, one of the UK's most opulent estates, a vanished 18th century garden is literally burning itself into the lawn. Andy Mills, the head gardener, calls it magical. But wait, why did this garden vanish in the first place? Let's talk about ego. This parterre wasn't just a garden, it was a flex. Built in 1705, it was a look how rich I am statement. Crazy, right? People were wasting absurd amounts of cash on landscaping back then just to show off. And now, centuries later, the Earth's giving us a sneak peek into that old-world flex culture. But here's what gets me. These structures never truly disappear. They're just waiting. At Gray's Court, a medieval courtyard's ghostly outline popped up on a lawn that's been untouched for ages. And Portchester Castle? A Tudor-era storehouse from the 1400s decided to make a cameo. This isn't just about pretty patterns in grass, it's about time layers. Every patch mark is a window into a world where kings, merchants, and monks walk the same ground we are standing on. And yet, we only notice it when the weather hits some specific temperature threshold. Makes you wonder what else is hiding under your local park, doesn't it? James Brown, the archaeologist at Mottisfont, calls these marks intriguing glimpses. But let me ask you this, why haven't we dug them up? Are we preserving history by leaving it buried? Or are we just lazy? I mean, geophysical surveys exist. But maybe there's beauty in letting nature dictate when history reveals itself. Like, these discoveries feel more meaningful when they're serendipitous, not forced. It's like the land's choosing when to share its stories. Here's the deeper cut, though. Climate change is making these heat waves more common. So are we entering an era where history is going to keep popping up in weird ways? That sounds like a Netflix documentary waiting to happen. But also, what's the cost? These patch marks are cool, sure, but they're symptoms of a planet that's seriously overheating. There's a bittersweetness here. Every time we get a new historical reveal, it's also a warning label from the Earth. So what's my takeaway? Next time you see a weird patch in your lawn, don't just mow over it. Stop. Stare. Wonder. Because that patch could be the footprint of a lost civilization, a Tudor warehouse, or a billionaire's 18th century garden. And maybe, just maybe, the past isn't as gone as we think. What do you think? Drop your theories below. And if you're down in southern England, keep an eye on your lawn. You might be standing on a UNESCO site and not even know it.